Dear audience, Shahbaz Jamia Madaniya Qasimul Ulum is an ideal educational university. The principal of our madrasa is Sheikh Qari Maulana Abdul Hafiz Shah. My respected Muslim brothers or honorable principal always thinks about the progress of Jamia. Dear audience, there are 70 teachers in our madrasa. They take